Listen, you have to just put stuff out there in the wild, wild west and just see what happens. Good morning. Today, I'm going to be embroidering things and I wanted you to see what I'm working on. I've had my machine now for officially 1 month today and I've learned a lot. I've made a lot of mistakes. I've also had 7 orders done, completed. I do have 1 gift that I want to make and I also have some things I want to work on to put in my Shopify and Etsy store. So I think I'm going to work on those today. I have a whole stack of clothes over there and it looks really intimidating. All different colors, all different materials. That's the plan for today. This is kind of like a little vlog or something. I don't really know. I just wanted to share that with you. Okay. I've been keeping up on like my YouTube analytics. Lately it's been very interesting, very funny, very interesting. Lately I've been getting more, not necessarily hate comments, but like not encouraging ones. I just have to realize that not everyone's gonna like me. I do know that already, but it's just like stupid. You say that it's your biggest fear to hear me talk for an hour. That's actually really funny. And I don't even think I could talk for an hour. So I'm sorry that that person feels that way. I'm deciding to pick something that goes along with what I was just saying about YouTube people and the people of the interwebs. And it's perfect. I'm gonna try it out on a beanie and I'll let you know how it goes. Can you wave? Say hello. Oh yeah, good job. So let's see it. Be nice. So I'm gonna kind of clean it up and get this water soluble stuff off and then I'll show you what it looks like. Hello. So it turned out really, really well. The only thing that I don't like about it is the last, like literally 1 minute of stitching is just like a little bit off, that like red part right there. So I think if I do these again, I'm not even gonna do that because it's just like one thin line and it like doesn't match up. So it makes it look a little more messy. But it turned out really, really good, really well. And that's my husband in the backyard. So be nice. Don't leave anything down there that's not very nice. That's not very nice, okay? Now I'm going ahead with the next design. I have a friend's birthday coming up and I'm gonna be making her a little beanie with a little bunny rabbit on it. Tried to make this before Christmas when I saw her last, but then I did it wrong. I sewed through the back of the shirt and then I was like, shoot. So I'm doing it now on a beanie and it's about almost halfway done. So I'll show you what that looks like. You guys, it literally turned out really, really good. I think she's gonna like it a lot. It's just adorable. Do you see that? It's just a little bunny rabbit. A little bunny. It's so cute. I might do my logo next. I want to see how that works on a beanie since I'm in this beanie phase. So I'll do that and then I'll tell you how it goes. It turned out great like the stitching did, but it's really big, and I think it's because the digitizer, I told him that I wanted it on a hat and a shirt, like a shirt right here on the left side, and I think he meant like cap, like a baseball hat, and so I think I'm gonna ask him if he can resize it because it's just huge. It turned out really, really well though. You can see it's like beautiful. So that's all that I'm gonna do for right now. I did 3 hats, 3 beanies. I've never done beanies before, so they all turned out really well. I'm really happy about that. I think that's it though for right now. I'm going to get ready to go work out. I need to eat something first, and then I will see you later. Okay, bye.